An update on one of the hottest sectors. This stock is about to explode. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss this one. Hi guys, today we want to talk about a stock that has really taken off as of late, but today it went even higher because it announced an exclusive deal with the NFL. And this is a stock that we've spoken about. It's in one of the hottest sectors that we mentioned earlier this year. We mentioned that there was a couple of sectors, which was the EV sector, the e-gaming, online gambling sector, and the biogenome sector. I think those were the three hottest sectors that we had mentioned for this year, for 2021, in a previous video. But this company, Skillz, is really taking off as of late, maybe within the last month. Remember, this stock here was a Spac, and we called this stock out right about $18 or so. Right around, I think it was just merging, or it was about to merge, or it had just merged. However, if you want more information on what Skillz does, just we're gonna put a suggested video on here, so you could just click on that and it'll take you straight to. Guys, something else that I do want to mention, and that I've been mentioning it constantly, is because in the stock market, there is only certain time for you to jump on plays, because if you miss that time, basically the play leaves, or either the stock goes up or you're getting a little bit too late and the opportunity is not there. So if you guys want to get the latest information, yesterday we get a couple great calls. We did a call on Match, and when we did, we bought shares on CRISPR because I thought they were cheap. And we put this out at Investing OG on Twitter. So if you guys want to follow us there, Investing OG on Twitter, just follow us there and you get the calls. When we get the information, we go ahead and throw it out. We threw out Skillz in the morning as well. It ran up all the way to $39. If you look at the chart here, pre-market, right around 6:30 or so, it ran up all the way to $39, and since then it's consolidating. I expect it to drop a little bit because it ran up so much today. But yeah, ticker symbol SKLZ is just had an announcement, and let me go over the announcement with the NFL. The NFL is teaming up with Skillz to crowdsource a future mobile esport. They will host a global game developer challenge in Q2 2021, where developers will have the opportunity to develop an NFL-themed mobile game, open to all genres, except for 11 versus 11 simulated games. So we spoke about in our previous videos that I am expecting the gaming industry to completely revolutionize this whole sector. I think we're all going to be in a time where virtual reality is going to take place. I think we are just getting started. However, you want to position yourself. Companies like this, Skillz, that have like 100-year vision. If you look up their CEO, that dude has 100-year vision on this company and where he expects this company to be at. When you look at a company, make sure you look at the CEO. Make sure that that person who's running that business has a mindset that's ready for the future. And I think Skillz, like I said, it's a gaming platform, but it's making moves right now for their future. I'm going to continue to buy Skillz because I think it at one point it will be a $60 to $100 stock. It's impressive what they're doing right now in the short term, but I think their future growth can be incredible. With that, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. I do ask you guys to please follow us and subscribe to this channel. It helps other people be able to view this information, get this information like you guys do. If you found anything informative on this video, please like and please ring the notification bell. With that, guys, have yourselves a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.